In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide likes on a YouTube video. We're going to walk through this using YouTube Studio, and by the end, your videos will no longer display the public like count to viewers. This can be useful if you want people to focus more on your content itself, rather than on how many likes a video has. First, sign into your YouTube Studio account in your browser. This is different from the regular YouTube watch page. If you're not sure you're in the right place, look for the Studio dashboard with analytics, content, and other creator tools on the left side. Once you're there and fully logged in, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Near the bottom of that left-hand menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a pop-up window in the center of your screen with several categories listed on the left. In this pop-up, look again to the left-hand side and click on Upload Defaults. These are the settings that YouTube will automatically apply to every new video you upload, unless you manually change them later. This is exactly where we want to be, because changing the setting here will apply to your future uploads. Within Upload Defaults, you'll see different tabs, including one called Advanced Settings. Click on Advanced Settings to open all of the more detailed options for your default uploads. Now, scroll down through the Advanced Settings section. Take your time here, because there are quite a few options, and the one we need is closer to the bottom. Keep scrolling until you reach an option that says something along the lines of "Show how many viewers like this video." By default, this box is usually checked, which means YouTube will show the like count publicly under your videos. To hide the likes, simply uncheck this box. When the box is unchecked, viewers will no longer see the total number of likes on your future uploads, although you as the creator will still have access to that information in your analytics. Once you've unchecked the box, don't forget to save your changes. Look to the bottom right corner of the pop-up window and click the Save button. This step is important. If you close the window without saving, none of the changes you just made will be applied. And that's it. Your new default settings will now hide the like count on your upcoming YouTube videos, helping you keep your channel's engagement metrics private while you continue to create and share content.